Now welcome to the Money Code Secrets. And in this episode, we will talk about how to use advanced technologies to test and measure your probability for becoming successful in your business or in your chosen career path. How do we do that? Now, the Bible and other sacred ancient texts, they provide valuable wisdom. Technological advancements and advancements in knowledge are growing rapidly in our time, as Daniel 12:4 states, knowledge will increase. Now, combining advanced technology with the wisdom from the Bible will help advance society to a very high level. Now, it's very unfortunate when people enthusiastically work in a career or a business that they think will get them wealthy, but then they end up failing. Proverbs 19:2 of the NLT says, enthusiasm without knowledge is no good. Haste makes mistakes. Rushing into a business venture or a career that you think will succeed without carefully measuring and testing will most likely lead to failure. Proverbs 28:20 of the NLT says, a person who wants quick riches will get into big trouble. One of the wisest actions you can take is to test and measure any idea that you then come up with before investing any time and money into it. When you test or measure anything, you get important feedback and important information, and this allows you to make the right decisions and prevents you from wasting your valuable time and money. First of all, before you use any technologies or measuring devices on yourself, you must first have your mind open to possibilities. Once your mind is open to possibilities, then you make way for probability. If you are not open to the possibility that you can become wealthy, then there's a low probability that it will happen. Think about that. Wanting wealth is one thing. Anyone can say, well, I want to be a millionaire. Okay. However, I want to ask you this. Can you confidently say, in 1 year, there is a possibility that I will earn $1 million? Can you do that? Believe in possibility and you will receive. Mark 11:24 of the NIV says, believe that you have received it and it will be yours. What does that mean? Let me ask you this. Are you already acting as if you will soon receive? Are you so confident about receiving that you are preparing and planning how you will use the wealth that you will receive? Are you writing down lists of what you will do with the money? Are you confidently going into car dealerships to look at and test drive the car you will buy? Are you going to open houses to perhaps walk through a house that's for sale that you are thinking of buying as soon as you receive? Are you researching the wise investments that you will make with the money? Are you doing that? Even more confidence is required to act as if you have already received, as Mark 11:24 commands us to do. Not many people have complete and unwavering confidence to follow this command to believe that you have received it. What does acting as if you have already received it mean? Well, it certainly doesn't mean spending recklessly and buying things that you can't afford. Now, as Proverbs 21:20 of the NLT says, the wise have wealth and luxury, but fools spend whatever they get. Acting as if means, as we learned in episode 3, to say thank you in advance. The time frame of when you will receive the money is irrelevant. What's important is the belief that you will receive at some time in the future, and you have great confidence in receiving, so you say thank you in advance of receiving. It's like getting an advance paycheck. Your employer believes in the work you will do, and they pay you in advance. An author writes what a publisher believes is a best-selling book, and the author gets an advance. When you say to God, "Thank you for my wealth," you are thanking God in advance. It shows you have 100% confidence in God and believe with 100% certainty that you will receive in the future. Now, atheists, you can say, "Thanks to the intelligence that governs the laws of gravity and other important physical laws." Do that. Don't be like most people who pray desperately and repeatedly for the things they want and the things they need. Matthew 6:8 of the NLT commands, "Don't be like them, for your Father knows exactly what you need, even before you ask Him." Matthew 6:7 says, "They think their prayers are answered merely by repeating their words again and again." People who repeat their requests to God think they will get their prayer answered. Don't ask for what you want or need, but if you must, ask just once. Select a time in a day when you make a specific request to God for what you want with prayer. Then from that day forward, make it a daily practice to pray with an attitude of thanksgiving and gratitude for having received. Now, when you start planning and preparing exactly how you will spend and save and invest the money, you are sending God the message. You're saying, "I am preparing for God to deliver," and that you are ready to receive it. Begging and pleading for God to deliver to you is the complete opposite of the command in Mark 11:24 to believe you have received it and it will be yours. God rewards confidence, and God rewards planning, and God rewards preparation. God rewards you for believing that you will receive. Now, once you can effortlessly say, "Thank you for my wealth," your probabilities for actually succeeding are very high. The second step involves measuring and testing your probabilities for succeeding with a specific idea. Now, certain ideas don't need to be tested or even measured. Low-paying jobs with no room for growth and advancement have a very low probability to bring wealth. Business ideas that don't match with your skills and your strengths and your knowledge and your wisdom are also unlikely to be successful for you. Now, what do? The technologically advanced system, quantum biofeedback, or advanced market analysis and research are suitable methods of testing and then measuring. With quantum biofeedback, the eductor biofeedback system, also known as the indigo biofeedback system, are suitable for our purpose. A written statement is tested for its compatibility with you and how true the statement is for you. Now, you are to write on a sheet of paper a statement such as, "I will earn $1 million with," and you fill in the blank with your business idea or your career idea. Now, if you are uncomfortable with such a statement, then you must change your statement to something like this that you are more comfortable with, such as, "I earn $10,000 per month with so-and-so idea." Now, the quantum biofeedback system responds to your written statement with a percentage up to 100%. A percentage of 100% means there's a very high probability that your idea will succeed and is probably compatible with you. A percentage of 95% also is a high probability for you. An idea with a lower percentage means it will be not quite compatible with you. The lower the score, the lower the probability. Now, don't limit your potential by writing only one idea. List as many ideas as you can think of and test them all. Sure, A quantum biofeedback system can be too expensive for many people, and operating it properly can be very complicated as it requires some extensive training and knowledge. Therefore, find a quantum biofeedback practitioner in your area to perform this testing and measuring for you. Good investment. Keep in mind that many things exist in energetic potential. So before anything manifests in the physical, it originates in energy. While your idea may have a probability to succeed, it doesn't guarantee success. You need to take methodical and thoughtful actions. You need to have the skills and the know-how to pursue proper actions and make your idea a success. Subscribe to our podcast and to our YouTube channel. And thank you